Is online Hifdh program suitable for beginners? Yes, online Hifdh programs are designed for all levels of proficiency, including beginners. The programs have a flexible curriculum that caters to individual student needs and pace. Are online Hifdh programs accredited and recognized? Yes, most online Hifdh programs are accredited and recognized by reputable Islamic institutions and organizations. It's essential to check the accreditations and recognition before enrolling in any program. What are the computer and internet requirements for online Hifdh programs? The requirements vary depending on the program. However, generally, a computer or laptop with a fast internet connection and a webcam is necessary. Participation in live sessions requires students to have access to online platforms like Zoom or Skype. Are there any prerequisites to join online Hifdh programs? The prerequisites for online Hifdh programs vary depending on the program. However, most programs require students to have a foundational knowledge of the Quran, Tajweed, and Arabic language. Students may need to take a placement test before being allowed to enroll in certain programs.